What's going on, ladies and gents, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some breaking news surrounding Scott Redding in World Superbikes. So sit back, relax, grab a cup of tea and let us get into the video. The breaking news is that today, the 19th of August 2021, Scott Redding has announced that he will be leaving the factory Ducati team at the end of this year and joining the factory BMW team, riding alongside Michael van der Mark. The breaking news about Scott Redding's departure from the Aruba.it Ducati team came about just days after his Race 2 win at the Czech Republic round on the 8th of August. At this moment in time, it's not 100% clear what the reasoning is for Scott Redding's departure from the Ducati factory team is. However, it has been rumoured that BMW were trying to sign Scott Redding all the way back in 2020 when he first appeared on the World Superbike scene. As we know, Scott Redding has had quite a lot of success on the Ducati Panigale V4 in World Superbikes. As we all know, he won the BSB title back in 2019. Unfortunately, it doesn't look like he's having the same success in World Superbikes. So where can we see him going from here on? Will he do well on the BMW? Will he not? No one knows. One thing I will say is that we don't know what's going to happen in 2022. Scott Redding might jump on the BMW and he might do amazingly well, or he might not. No one really knows. One thing I can tell you guys from watching World Superbikes over the last couple of years is that the BMW is a very good package. It may not be the fastest in a straight line, it may not be the best round corners, but as an overall package, I personally think it's very, very good. Also, ladies and gents, on this channel, I will say that I don't like not giving you guys the correct information. So as you can appreciate, this is a bit of a knee-jerk reaction video to the announcement of Scott Redding leaving the Aruba.it Ducati team. But as soon as more information comes to light as to the wheres, the whys and the hows, you'll be rest assured that I'll be letting you guys know. With the announcement of Scott Redding leaving the Aruba.it Ducati squad at the end of this year, there are already rumours about one particular rider returning to the factory team, and that rider is Alvaro Bautista. Whether that is true or not, we don't know. We'll have to wait and see. So with the announcement of Scott Redding leaving the Aruba.it factory Ducati team, where does that leave us? Do we think it's a good move or a bad move? Personally speaking, I am a big Scott Redding fan, but I'm an even bigger Ducati fan. And seeing as though Ducati supported him when he was in MotoGP, when he was in British Superbikes, and throughout his time in World Superbikes, I am not 100% certain that that's a good move on his part. So far, results from both factory teams, both the BMW and the Ducati teams, are a bit hit and miss, more so with the BMW. However, who's to know what's going to happen in the future? Scott Redding's going to have a very, very, very competitive teammate in Michael van der Mark for next year. He's also got the likes of Tom Sykes, who's a previous World Superbike champion, to look to for advice. So who knows? No one really knows what the future's going to bring. I personally don't want to poo-poo the idea of Scott Redding being a good BMW rider or a bad BMW rider. People have already said in social media that it's a bad move on his part. It's a step backwards from a really, really good brand to a really bad brand. And, you know, people are entitled to their opinion. Me personally, I think we'll have to just wait and see. You can't really crucify the guy before he's had a chance to ride a different bike. He's been on Ducatis for 3 years. He's done well in BSB, but not doing so well in World Superbikes. But all I can say is good luck to him. I hope he does well, and we'll see what happens in the future. And as always, ladies and gents, thanks for sticking around and listening to me waffle on. I hope you enjoyed the video. I know it wasn't very long, but for now, you have been awesome. I have been Lee, aka Rollin Thunder. So look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road, and as always, adios!